This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. The question asks, based on the information in this passage, what would be the best explanation why the temperatures fall during the passage of a cold front? So we know that they're going to fall because it's called a cold front, but scientifically, why does this happen? So the most helpful thing will be to look at this diagram. So this diagram shows that during a cold front, you have this cool, dry air coming in, and this cool, dry air is going to come into the area, and the warm, moist air is going to go away. It's going to go into the atmosphere, leaving the cool air here. So that's probably going to explain why it gets cold. And we see the definition of a cold front is when cold air replaces warm air. So let's look at our answer choices and see what's most accurate. Choice 1. Clouds will form over the area, decreasing the amount of solar radiation reaching the surface. This diagram says nothing about clouds or solar radiation, and we don't talk about this in our definition of a cold front, so that's going to be irrelevant. Choice number 2. A warm air mass is moving into the area, displacing the cold air. But we see the opposite here. We see the cool air is coming in, and then the warm air is fleeing. So this is what happens in a cold front. So this is going to be the opposite. Choice 3 is what we see in the diagram. The cold air mass moves into the area and displaces the warm air. Makes perfect sense. That's going to be our answer. Choice 4, low pressure is moving in the area, cooling the temperatures. So we see the low pressure here, but we don't talk about the effect of pressure directly on temperature. We mentioned in the definition of a cold front that pressure and temperature both are affected by the cold front, but it doesn't say that they affect each other. Those are just things that happen. So choice 3 is the most accurate answer.